Good afternoon. I just wanted to have a brief talk about the dire wolf pups and your thoughts about bringing back, animals from the past, so to speak. So many of us saw the dire wolf pups that were created in the lab, and these dire wolf pups share most of their DNA from the extinct dire wolf. So, are they actual dire wolves or just a modified version? That's up, that's something worth discussing. I'm not a scientist, but I'm always willing to learn more. So, what are your thoughts about bringing animals back from the past who have been extinct? You know, are there animals that you would like to see come back to life or be brought back to life in the lab or through any other way, such as the Titanoboa, Sarcosuchus, or even the woolly mammoth, mastodon, or smilodon, saber-toothed tigers or saber-toothed cat species? What would it be like to have some of those animals be alive again, living in this modern context? I mean, we know that I'm fascinated with big cats, as many people are, but imagine adding the saber-toothed cats in the mix. How would that impact the balance of nature? Do you think that we should just leave things in the past, or we should try to bring certain species back? What are the pros and cons of bringing back certain species? Are there certain animals that are gone that could be beneficial to the environment now, or are we better off not risking it? One of the things about us as humans is that we're fascinated with many things, and we've been given creativity to experiment with many things. And while that's great to do and that we do possess this, we also have to be careful not to go too far. So if any scientists are listening to this, use the gifts and talents that you have by all means. But I'm just going to ask that you don't bring back a blend of a donkey and a T-Rex. That would be very odd. So at least be consistent with what you're going to bring back, making sure that it resembles the actual thing it's supposed to resemble. Because I can see some odd abominations being created by people who take this too far. But for the most part, it can also be fascinating science. So, do you want to see certain animals come back? Or what animals do you think we should just leave in the past? I always think it's a fun discussion. So, have at it. Feel free to share in the comments and be blessed.